Hi guys, how are you? Don't look at my fingernail, I misplaced it and I just hope my doggy doesn't eat it. Just keeping it real, except for my nails. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to travel with jewelry. So let's get going and I'll share with you this little idea because some of my friends have traveled and they ask me how I store my jewelry when I did travel. So one of the easiest ways, which you probably know, first you have a sock, clean sock, or you can have a stinky sock. It's up to you, but this is new socks of my husband, so I borrowed them. And we have a straw here. You just take your necklace, so we'll put this on here. Oop. And there you go. And we'll put it into the sock. Okay. Let's make sure it's down a little bit further. The next way is like with bracelets. I'll get some bracelets here. So we have some bracelets here. And the carabine I got at the dollar store. Can take this thing off. Come on. And we can put your bracelets on here to keep them organized. And there they go in there. Another thing, if you have like another bracelet or a long necklace that's like this, just take saran wrap. And you can go like that if it's a bracelet and just fold this over and it won't get tangled, or say it's a long necklace. What you should do is bend it in half, put some there, some there, and just fold it over. And for your earrings, I'm in little Ziploc bags, like the snack bags, or I think I have some of these little, these little containers that you can pop your earrings into. I think I got this off of Amazon. You put your little earrings in there and then throw them into here. And I'm sure if you have larger earrings like these beauties, which will be in my shop shortly, you just have to give them a final polish. You have larger earrings. And just keep your saran wrap after you take them out to use them, like that. And throw them in there, but I'm going to put this in there. There you go. I never even thought to check my... And then you put it like that in your suitcase. And there you go. And Bob's your uncle. Sitting in your suitcase, they wouldn't think if that's jewelry in there, and it protects your jewelry. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribing really helps us. It's free, as you know, And also, if it says that you have to have a Google account, like a Gmail account, Gmail's free also. Take care. Nice to talk to you again. Bye-bye.